This is a video on how to do MLA formatting on your iPad. This tends to be a little tricky, so I would recommend that if you can do it on a computer, to do it on a computer instead of on the iPad. But for the sake of this course, we're going to learn how to do it on the iPad. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is set up our header. So what we're going to do is double click, and that'll take us into the header. And we want to add our last name and the page number. It's a little tricky, so I'm going to walk you through it. So you're going to go to Insert, and then you're going to do page number. It should be in the top right. And then next to that, you're going to type your last name. That's the tricky part. Put a space there, and now we're all set. Okay, so now we have the header set up. Okay, also we need to make sure that we have set up the layout. We want to make sure that our margins are 1 inch all around, so you're going to do that in the Layout tab. And of course, the orientation should be portrait. And the size of the document should be letter. So now you're all set up. So the next thing we're going to do is set up our heading. So our heading can be set up differently depending on what your teacher wants. I'm going to give you a sample of what's in the book that we're using for this course. So we're going to put our name, and our teacher's name, the course, and then the date. And this can be set up however your teacher wants you to do it. So there might be variation here. Okay, so now we have the heading set up. We're going to put the title. Right, and I already did this, so for the sake of making this shorter, I'm going to paste this document in so that I don't have to type it in front of you. So here it is. We're going to do the history of the potato chip, which is your assignment today. And you're going to center the title. And then we're going to start with the formatting of the document. Okay, so we need to tab the first line. So we're going to tab. And then all of our spacing should be single spaced. And when we have another paragraph, when we get down to the second paragraph, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to tab there too.